Hi everyone, myself Vamsi Krishna. In this session, we are going to see how to download Tomcat and how to configure Tomcat 10 as a service, and we'll run Tomcat as a service. Okay, let us get started with the implementation steps. Go to EC2, click on running instances, launch instance, select Amazon Linux 2, review and launch. I'll use the key pair which I have with me and connect to the server. This is Apache Tomcat 10 service. Let me grab the IPv4 for public IP. Open MobiXterm. Click on session, SSH. This is remote host. This is specify username, EC2-user, advanced SSH settings, use private key. This is the private key. And to run Tomcat, the prerequisite is Java. First, I'll install Java, and then I'll download Tomcat in OPT folder /OPT folder. Then I will create a unit file which will hold the definition of a service, and then we will reload the systemd, and then we will be able to run the Tomcat as a service. Switch to root. First install Java 8. Yum install Java -1.8.0 -OpenJDK and OpenJDK DEVL as well. Java development package as well. I installed Java. Once Java is installed, we'll verify the Java version, and then we'll go to OPT folder and download Tomcat 10. Okay, let us verify the Java version. Java is downloaded. Now we'll go back to /OPT folder and download Tomcat 10. Apache Tomcat 10 download. Or simply type Apache Tomcat 10 download. Apache Tomcat. Or we can say index of Tomcat. Click on index of Tomcat, and you have Tomcat 10. Click on Tomcat 10, and the latest version is 10.00-M6. You can select this, and you need bin. Click on bin, and from here look for tar.gz. This is the one. Apache-Tomcat-10.00-M6.tar.gz. Right click, copy link address, and say wget this one. Tomcat is downloaded. Just see the Tomcat. Extract this Tomcat using tar xvf apache-tomcat Once Tomcat is extracted, you will have the folder. Copy the folder. And now if you see, we need to create a unit file with Tomcat service name. I am creating a service with name Tomcat 10. Open this and say vi. This is the /etc/systemd/system your service name. I kept the service name as 10 Tomcat 10 dot service, and inside this paste the entries. What is the unit? What is the unit description? What is after and service? What is the user group? If you see, I created a user Tomcat 10 in this file. First, I'll add the entries and then I will add this user and group as well. User Tomcat 10, group Tomcat 10. Why we will create Tomcat user? Because it's not recommended to run all the processes with root user. That's why we created our own user Tomcat 10 for running Apache Tomcat 10. Execute start is nothing but how you want to start your Tomcat. If you see, we are starting Tomcat using startup.sh file, which is under opt Apache Tomcat bin directory. In the same way, how you want to stop Tomcat. Execute stop is nothing but how you want to stop Tomcat. Let me copy this entry and paste it here. Save this file and then reload the system D. Systemctl daemon reload. This is done. Just create Tomcat 10 user. If you want, you can set password for Tomcat 10 as well. Tomcat 10 is also done. Now we can start the service using Tomcat user. If you want, you can switch to Tomcat 10 and say service Tomcat 10 start. Sorry, you can stay in root and you can say service Tomcat 10 start. Service Tomcat 10 status, it failed. Seems like permission denied. What you can do is change the ownership for Tomcat folder. Chown Tomcat 10 colon Tomcat 10 your Tomcat folder hyphen capital recursive. We change the ownership. If you want, you can keep chmod 755 for Tomcat folder. Now it is done. Now start the Tomcat service. Service Tomcat 10 start. Now see the status. Status is running. Now if you want, you can stop the Tomcat. Perfect. Now we have seen how to download Tomcat and how to create a unit file and how to configure execute start and execute stop, and then how to change the file ownership and permission. Then we are able to run Tomcat as a service. Thanks everyone for watching this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.